For some time now, flight has not been just a dream of humanity. The airplanes and helicopters that cross the skies in all corners of the planet are the machines that permit man to have wings. But for flight to be perfect, many things must happen on the ground. Hundreds of professionals are involved in each takeoff and landing. And certainly, maintenance professionals of aircraft and components have a special role in keeping these machines in the air. It is exactly this segment where the Aeross group acts. From the aircraft tail to nose. Many national airlines have received the touch of the tools and professional hands of Aeross. The Aeross group is divided in the following areas: avionics, parts and supply, components and maintenance, instruments and calibration, and is certified at level H single class non-destructive test, which permits the inspection and verification of the integrity of items installed or not on the aircraft without destruction or alteration of its properties. The group is also certified by the official organs in level F, classes 1, 2 and 3 in the revision of components and accessories from ATA 21 to 80, which permit the repair and overhaul of hydraulic, pneumatic, mechanical, electric, electronic, and avionic equipment, and wheels and brakes, and oxygen instruments, in addition to the calibration, design, modification, installation, and certification on aircraft. The group's headquarters is strategically located in the city of Barueri, between the three most important airports in the country, and near the principal highways of the state of São Paulo, permitting rapid access to all parts of Brazil. It is from here, in the headquarters, with an area of more than 3,000 square meters, that houses the maintenance hangar, stock of materials, and the technical library of the group. There are over 2,500 manuals with approved technical data for aircraft, which are a required part of the organization's model of management. No component whatsoever is put on the bench without the engineer or technician having in hand the correct specifications. When a component arrives at the hangar for an estimate or maintenance, the receiving department photographs the conditions in which it arrived. Only after this step will the component be sent to the appropriate sector, which will then identify the problem and define the necessary path to resolving the problem, creating a service order with all the pertinent information. Whether it is a coffee maker, vacuum toilet, or complex electronic instrument, each component is repaired by a specialist in each area with modern tooling and equipment. This process is completed with a velocity compatible with a market, which knows that it cannot have aircraft stopped on the ground because of mechanical problems. All needs to be resolved as fast as possible. When necessary, a team of professionals with an office in Miami, in the United States, procures and purchases parts that are not in the local stock and ships them immediately to Brazil. This is the Aeross Group, a series of companies like a gear, formed to meet the demands of a market in complete expansion, in full power for takeoff. A group formed of people who know the importance of work for flight safety and profitability for airlines. This is a group formed of people who know what motivates them is the passion to fly.